Meet the Galanz microwave oven. A Galanz countertop microwave oven that makes cooking and reheating meals or drinks simple, fast, and convenient. With adjustable power levels, defrost program, and weight, this microwave oven offers a variety of options to complete your cooking tasks. The fun retro design brings a look of the fabulous old days, adding style, yet still works in your modern kitchen. It is a fun and stylish addition to any kitchen, recreation room, home office, or dorm room. It is 700W with 6 variable power levels. Galanz Watts microwave oven with lighting handle. Microwave oven offers 6 power level for cooking. It is easy to defrost. Defrost and LED display. For all your frozen food, defrost by time or weight so you can enjoy tastier food. Easy to read LED display clearly shows the remaining cooking time. And when the cooking procedure is finished, 3 beeps will be heard. 360 degrees heating and rotating the glass turntable during operation helps to cook food more evenly and then improves the cooking efficiency. So you will enjoy fresh and delicious food in no time. Internal light and child lock. Internal light to check the status without having to open the doors. The safety lock prevents unsupervised operation by children. Lock the control panel using the child lock option to prevent accidental use or access by children. There are already thousands of satisfied customers with the Galanz microwave oven. See this testimonial from Cami, a satisfied Galanz microwave oven customer. This is my favorite of all the microwaves I have. The bebop blue color is beautiful and the retro design makes it even better. I love the handle to open it. Much easier, and it looks better than the button method of opening other microwaves I own. I also love the dial instead of pushing numbers. It is simple to figure out and looks nicer than a normal panel of numbers. It takes a little longer to heat my food than larger, more powerful microwaves I've had before, but in the grand scheme of things, what's 10 seconds longer? Love, love, love. Do like Cami and secure your Galanz microwave oven at the best price right now by going to the official website. Link in the video description and fixed in the first comment.